Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I know, it's just...
It's a love
I
story.
never thought this would happen. Any of this.
Is this a new experience for you guys? And whatever other. Oh my god! Whatever other enchanting. I turned my something. 냥바스. Catfish. Wiggle your ears. Remember, Gura, licking doorknobs is illegal in other planets. Well, it just made me think, like, imagine how many calories are on a doorknob then if you lick your doorknob. I didn't lick it. I heard that if you lick it. I didn't lick it. I'm not weird. So I wonder how many calories are on a doorknob. 2 calories? That's it? Gura, Google calories in uranium. Uranium contains 18 million calories per gram. Are you serious? Calories in uranium? Oh, that's a lot. That's one way to gain weight, I guess. Don't eat uranium. Bad.